Alright, working in the shop tonight, putting this van back together finally. I've been waiting to make some money so I could buy a new battery for it. There's a battery in it, was dead. Doing an oil change on it right now. I'm gonna buff these headlights out. I'm gonna water sand them, then I'm gonna buff them. Clean it all up. These vans aren't worth very much. This is an '02 Dodge Caravan. I went to post it just as it was about a week ago, and all of a sudden I see like 6 or 7 of these things pop up for like $600. So I was like, oh, that's not worth my time. So I'm selling for a family member anyway. So I pulled it all the way apart, pulled all the carpets out, washed them, did the best I could, cleaned the dash and everything. Now I'm just putting the carpet back. Seat's got to be cleaned. I cleaned each piece individually. So now I just got to put all of it back in and wash it, detail it out some more, and sell it. I put these tires on it here not too long ago. Actually, no, I put them on about 6 months ago. I bought a van, a little S10 Astro van, and it had those tires on it. I couldn't get the paperwork for the van, so I just gave the van away and kept the tires off it and put them on this because his tires on this were shot. But luckily it's a little 4-cylinder, so if anything happened, there's actually quite a bit of space in here. V6s, I know there's no room at all. So for whatever the hell I'm gonna ask for it, I think I'm gonna put it for like $1,500 or something. I mean, it's good, ready to go van when I'm done with it. Once it's all cleaned up. Nobody likes to drive a minivan, but hey, you know, you gotta get to work, you gotta take the kids to school or whatever. It'll do it. It'll get her done. So that'll be it for that. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is buff these headlights out on this van. I've done it before, but I didn't do it like really good. I just buffed them with a regular buffer. This time I'm gonna wet sand them with 2000 grit sandpaper, and then I'm gonna buff them. Usually best to put like tape around here, but since this van's not worth $1 million, I don't really care. All right. Still some right here. You can feel the rough spots on the headlights, but sometimes they're a little too deep and they're just, you can only do so much. A little better. Better than it was. Better than that, at least. See, these areas right here need to be sanded some more. But they're a little, I can feel like a little lip to them. So right here needs to be done more with some sandpaper. A little bit in this area, here, around this side, right here. Here's okay. Maybe right now, maybe a little bit more there. But compared to where it was before, it's a lot better. I saw kits where you can, you know, put this kind of clear coat stuff on it, but this is a little bit easier. It's cheaper. I think those kits you buy are like 25 or 50 bucks. At least that's what I used to charge when I worked at a auto repair shop. It's like 50 bucks for just the kit and then the hour or whatever to do it. Alright, we'll buff it again. See how much of a difference it did. Oh, there's some more right here. Right here needs to be done some more. You can also do this with tail lights too. I don't do it really often, but you can. It's usually just the headlights that really need some work. Let's try it again. A little better. All right. That's gonna be good enough for me. I'll do the other one later.